My first blizzard. I cannot believe there's so much snow.
Go, go, go! Get up, Jocelyn.
I can't. Ow. There you go, Jazzy. I don't want to go back.
What happened, Jocelyn?
I don't know. All I knew, last thing I knew, I was in the snow. I tried to grab the controller.
Alright, come on, get up.
I'm trying. Oh! That was real unexpected.
Does it record?
Yeah.
Okay. Lulu, you want to go with Daddy? Let's go, Lulu. Lulu's eating snow.
Nice, Lulu.
Snow is good, but Lulu didn't like the flavored ice cream snow Mommy made for her. Alright, Jazzy, keep an eye on Daddy. Ready?
I'll try. You like it? How do you? Sorry, this is supposed to be turned off, but I can't with my gloves. I can't. As hard as I try, I can't.
Do you want to go down the sled again? Why?
Because I
Too scary?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't like it, because I don't get snow all over me.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Jaslyn.
Hi.
So how are you liking this blizzard?
It's cool. We get to explore and go sledding.
Are you bored now?
A little.
Yeah. Jason, is it snowing again? Yep, it's snowing.